Hey, I'm Jacob. Welcome to Choo. Today I'm going to show you guys my apple and rhubarb wine mead. It's not a strict mead. It is back sweetened with a lot of honey though, but it's probably more accurately described as a very, very hard cider if I've done the calculations correctly. It's very, very delicious. This is aged about 3 months. Ideally you would age this for another 6. But anyway, here's how I did it. So my father-in-law gave me some rhubarb. I was like, what the fuck is rhubarb? I don't really cook with it, I don't even know what the fuck it is really. I know it's used in a lot of sweet pies. So I did what I usually do when I get a bunch of stuff that I don't really know what to do with. I ferment the absolute fucking shit out of it and turn it into booze. Yeah, I've had a couple of bottles of this over the last week or two, and I don't know what the exact ABV is, but it definitely does the job. That's going to be strong. This is a craft channel, I guess, and I tell you what, this is actually one of the better things I've made, and it's only getting better with age. Let's travel back in time, and I'll show you guys how I did it.
Vessel waiting for my foul concoction. Inebriation from bad potions is all I ever wanted. So I gather what the mother has bestowed upon to me, and fill the bucket with the blessed good so gleefully. Rhubarb apple wine, 2 great worlds combined. Rhubarb apple wine tastes like pie. Consumed by hungry bongers, all the sweeties are converted. Now thinking they stop the feast once the yeast has been invented. With some spice and apple light and a pinch of precious thyme, the ancients bring it to me when I'm creating such a wine.
System. The auto siphons are awesome, but fucking Jesus, this takes forever.
Rhubarb apple wine, 2 great worlds combined. Rhubarb apple wine tastes like pie.
Tastes like pies. Tastes like a delicious pie. Who would have thought? Give this 6 months to a year, maybe 6 months. This will be one of the best things. Might be a little heavy on the cinnamon. It does have a good mouthfeel though. The cinnamon might be a little bit too full on. The cloves are subtle enough. It is sweet, so I don't like hate sweet stuff, but when you're doing fruity things, as I've mentioned in previous videos, it is really good to back sweeten, because when you suck all that shit out, it ends up a little bit tart. That being said, a nice dry apple cider is fine. This might be a little bit too sweet for me, but I know a lot of people like the sweeter stuff. So I'm actually getting my hands on some pretty good grog, so there will be an upcoming video where I'm distilling some things to the mate. We're going to use this distillation for a secret project which I can't talk about, but I'm going to take a little bit of the hard liquor to the side and do some fortified wines and some fortified meads, and I absolutely reckon this fortified, as in putting really hard liquor, like 95% pure ethanol alcohol into it, basically a fuck off vodka, would really make this something special. So if that sounds cool, stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we are going to be doing some really fun fortification on the homebrew side of things at Choo, so that's going to be legit. It's always important to garnish. Oh, that tastes like pie. Like a sweet apple pie. Anyway, I've been Jacob, you've been watching Choo. Check out our homebrew playlist, like and subscribe and all that, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, fuck. It's good. I make a lot of booze. A lot of it doesn't make it onto the channel because it's crap. I'm always experimenting. I'm learning as I'm going. But I tell you what, this one I recommend. Well, everything on my channel I recommend. If it doesn't make it on the channel, don't make it. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Yeah, that's rich. It's thick too. I like it thick. Yeah, that'll get the job done. Really does need to clear up a bit though, just for aesthetics. Anyway, it's good.